Hi guys, welcome to Dine. Today we're gonna make a traditional Bengali recipe with taro leaves. Taro leaves is called kochurshak in Bengali. It is how they look. So let's start with the recipe. For the ingredients, take 2 chopped tomatoes, 500 grams taro leaves or kochurshak, 2 chopped onions, 5 green chilies, 8 to 10 small garlic cloves, ginger paste and 2 hills of fish heads. Now in a pan, add water to boil taro leaves. Cover it, and when it's done, keep this aside. Now in a hot pan, add 6 tablespoons oil and add fish heads. Then add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Flip the fish heads and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes each side. After that, in the same oil, add about 8 to 10 small garlic cloves. When garlic cloves turn slightly brown, add 2 chopped onions. After a while, add 1 teaspoon salt, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon ginger paste and 2 chopped tomatoes. Again add 1 teaspoon salt and add a little bit of water. Stir this and cover it for 2 minutes. Open the cover and add the boiled taro leaves. Mix it and add fish heads. Then add green chilies and again cover it for about 15 minutes. Stir it every 5 minutes so that it doesn't stick to the pan. And taro leaves recipe is ready. Serve this with rice and enjoy. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.